Welcome to Grade 3 Maths Chapter 1 Session 1. The name of the chapter is Numbers from 100 to 999. In this video, we are going to be talking about place value, numbers on abacus, and expanded form. Let's see. On your screen, you can see two 3-digit numbers. What you have to do is pause this video here and write the names of these numbers on your notebook. Let's check whether you have given the correct responses or not. So, the first number is 254 and the second number is 328. Let's do. On this screen, you can see two questions. In the first question, you see two numbers. What you have to do is, you have to write all the 3-digit numbers that come in between these two numbers. The first number is 125 and the last number is 129. Identify what all numbers come in between these two numbers and write them in your notebook. For this, you can pause the video here. If you have done the question number 1, you can now start with the question number 2. There are 3 numbers given in front of you. If you add them all, what number will be formed? Write the number in your notebook. The 3 numbers that are given are 265. Let us check your responses now. In the first question, you were supposed to write the numbers which come between 125 and 129. So the numbers are 126, 127 and 128. In the second question, you were supposed to write the number which will be formed if you add those 3 numbers. So the number that will be formed is 265. Did you get them correct? Wow, you are learning it really nicely. Numbers from 100 to 999. Examples of number and name of 3-digit number with explanation of word name is 586. 586 is a 3-digit number which is read as 586. So numbers from 100, that is 100, to 999, that is 999, all are called 3-digit numbers. They are called so because they are formed by 3 digits. In these 3 digits, all the 3 digits have different place values depending upon the position. Now let us understand what a place value is. Place value is the value of a digit according to the position of the digit in the number. For example, in 156, place value of 1 is 100. Do you know why? Because it is at hundreds place. Place value of 5 is 50 because it is at tens place. And place value of 1 will be 1 itself as it is at ones place. Do you know what is an abacus? Abacus is a device used for counting, adding, and subtracting numbers. To represent any number on abacus, we use beads on the spikes. In the picture, you can see what a bead is. The red colored, green colored, and the purple colored spheres are called beads, and the wire on which they slide are called spikes. This is called an abacus, and this device, as discussed, can be used for different purposes like counting, addition, and subtraction of various numbers. But so as to represent the numbers correctly on an abacus, we need to know the ones, tens, and hundreds place and digits of a number. When we know that, we can accordingly set the beads in the spikes and we can represent the number on the abacus. Let's talk about the expanded form of numbers. When we separate or expand digits of a number on the basis of its place value, it is known as expanded form of the number. For example, let us write the expanded form of 786. Now we know that 7 is at hundreds place, 8 is at tens place, and 6 will be at ones place. So this number is 7 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 6 ones, or the same can be written as 700 plus 80 plus 6. This way we can write any number into an expanded form. Let's take a look at some more examples. Numbers from 100 to 999. Examples of 3-digit number names. The first number that we can see is 729. This number can be written as 729. Let's take another example. A 3-digit number 834 can be written as 834. Let's take one more example of place value. 289. In this 3-digit number, the place value of 2 will be 200 as it is at hundreds place. Place value of 8 will be 80 as it is at tens place. And the place value of 9 will be 9 itself because it is at ones place. Let's take few more examples of representing numbers on abacus. For this, we will take two 3-digit numbers. First number is 186. In this number, we can see that 1 is at hundreds place, 8 is at tens place, and 6 is at ones place. Since at hundreds place the digit is 1, that's why the hundreds spike in the abacus will just contain one bead. At tens place the digit is 8, therefore the tens spike in the abacus will contain 8 beads. The ones place contains 6 as the digit, that's why the ones spike will have 6 beads. This is how we can represent 186 on an abacus. In another example, let's take a new 3-digit number which is 708. Here, since at hundreds place the digit present is 7, therefore in the hundreds spike the number of beads will also be 7. Likewise, the tens digit is 0, therefore the tens spike will not contain any bead. The ones digit here is 8, and because of that the ones spike will contain 8 beads. That is how we can successfully represent these two 3-digit numbers on abacus. Now let's talk about one more example for the expanded form of numbers. The number to be expanded is 346. We know that here the number 3 is at hundreds place, 4 is at tens place, and 6 is at ones place. Therefore, when we write it in the expanded form, it can be written as 3 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 6 ones, or it can be written as 300 plus 40 plus 6. This is how we expand the numbers and we write them. Quick check. Here is a time for you to answer some questions. Be ready with your notebook and a pencil or a pen and answer the following questions. For the same, you can keep pausing the videos. Your question 1 is, what will be the number name of the number 840? Question 2. What is the place value of underlined digit in 840, where 0 is underlined? Question 3. How will you represent number 840 on abacus? You can draw this on your notebook. Question 4. What is the expanded form of number 840? Let us check your responses now. So the answer to the first question is 840. The answer to the second question is ones. The answer to third question is, you'll have to insert 8 beads in the hundreds place, 4 beads in tens place, and no bead in ones place. That is how you can represent 840 on an abacus. And for the expanded form in the fourth question, you can write the number as 8 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 0 ones, or 800 plus 40. Now, let us solve some more questions. Question number 1 is, what will be the number name of numbers 408 and 918? Second, what is the place value of underlined digit in 6 to 9 with 2 underlined, 206 with 2 underlined, and 709 with 0 underlined? Third, how will you represent number 248 on abacus? Fourth, what is the expanded form of the number 999? Let's check your responses. The answer to the first question is 408 and 918. The answer to second question is, the place value of 2 in 629 is 20. The place value of 2 in 206 is 200. And the place value of 0 in 709 is 0. The answer of third question is, to represent 248 on abacus, you'll have to insert 2 beads in hundreds place, 4 beads in tens place, and 8 beads in ones place. In order to write the number in expanded form, you can write it as 900 plus 90 plus 9, or also as 900s plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. Let's practice. I teach. Are you ready to become a teacher? Teach the concept of three-digit numbers name, place value of digits representing three-digit number on abacus to your parents. Also teach them how can we expand the three-digit numbers. Ask them to draw an abacus and represent the following numbers on the same: A 125, B 349, C 557, D 897. I do. Write the name of any 5 cricket players who have scored maximum number of runs. Write the runs scored in digits as well as in words. Also represent their runs scored by drawing an abacus on a paper. Next, you can see a practice worksheet for yourself. You can pause the video and you can continue doing this practice worksheet on your notebooks. You can continue solving this part of the worksheet as well by pausing this video. Do you know what skills we worked upon today? We worked upon computation, reasoning, and comprehension. I hope you must have enjoyed listening and learning from this video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning. I hope you must have enjoyed listening and learning from this video. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning.